Welcome to the ThePhilipEffect, and in this video today I'm going to be unpacking the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X. Actually, it's kind of in the pricey side. I got this for €49 from Just Music here in Berlin. Yeah, everything is sealed. I'm going to be unpacking this. I just wanted to show you what's inside. Actually, I'm not going to be going into the details about what it does or the beats or whatever. It's just an unpacking video. We're starting now from here. Just want to show you what's inside. From here, just want to be showing you what you get when you buy it. Just the content. So here we have the headphone itself. Strong. It's quite flexible, I have to say. I've been using the Beats and Beat by Dre, almost the same price, 300. Well, for my mixing and mastering, just wanted to have something that is specific for that. Then I have this open back. Have a little shining look to it. This wire is here. And quite tight. I'm pulling quite hard. Yeah, this is quite interesting. You see that? It's not your normal stuff.
No, I don't feel it. No, I don't feel it. Turn on the light. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Turn on the light.
This was the part I was showing you from the beginning. These are special types. It's not like every other one. So you put this here. I hope it's not so difficult to get right. So you can see this little dot. There's a little groove there. Just fits in this little groove here. Yeah, it clicks. That's awesome.
Are you playing with my heart or something? Do you love me for the cash? Will you miss me when I'm gone? When I'm lost, will you come and find me? Turn on the light.